I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens with a look now at your most accurate forecast. Shower and thunderstorm chances increasing tonight into the overnight and early morning hours tomorrow. Futurecast showing some of that action coming in from Pinal County overnight with scattered showers and thunderstorms still possible through the morning forecast tomorrow too. As we head into the afternoon, deeper development here for Pinal County and Pima counties. We could see some severe storms down there and still a chance for shower and thunderstorm activity here in the valley tomorrow afternoon and evening as well. Most of the state is going to be under a flash flood watch. We have several different start and end times on these, but generally speaking, we are looking at these flash flood watches now through Sunday across parts of Arizona. For the valley, it's going to be from 6 p.m. Thursday until 12 a.m. on Saturday. So mostly throughout that Friday forecast where we could see some downpours that lead to flash flooding. So watch out for that tomorrow. Temperatures significantly lower tomorrow too. In fact, we're only going to make it into the upper 90s here across the Phoenix metro area. Let's take a look at that forecast. 97 in Tempe, 96 in Mesa, and 95 degrees in Fountain Hills. For Apache Junction and Santan Valley, daytime highs around 94, early morning lows in the upper 70s to low 80s. And in the West Valley, Peoria, Glendale, Levine, and Avondale all topping out at 97. Early morning forecast puts those cities in the low to mid 80s. Here's a look at the rest of the state. Lows tonight also in the 80s out to the west. 71 for Kingman tonight, 68 in Sedona, and 53 degrees in Flagstaff. Tomorrow, Flagstaff up to 73, Heber and Sholo in the low 80s, Safford at 90 degrees, and our only spot in the triple digits will be Lake Havasu City at 100 degrees. Now, high pressure is moving to the east and low pressure is moving in, so we're getting our monsoon moisture back, and this low coming down the California coastline is also providing more instability to get storms going, which is why we're really ramping up these chances on Friday. We'll see continuing chances on Saturday and maybe even a few showers and thunderstorms across far northern Arizona on Sunday as this clips by. Of course, it's also providing some of that cooler air, but high pressure is going to return toward the middle to end of next week, so the heat will be back. At this point, we are expecting those temperatures to climb all the way up to about 108 by Thursday and maybe flirt with 110 beyond your 7-day forecast on Friday. Again, tomorrow only in the 90s and overnight lows will be in the 80s.